Okay, we are now in Excel 2016-2019, and they're very similar to each other. This is for the Mac, not Windows. And one of the things that you're looking at is I'm making it smaller, and now I'm making it bigger by sliding in the lower right-hand corner. You see here it says zoom in and zoom out. So we can also do that with the mouse. And what you're looking at here is all the columns are alphabetical and all the rows are numerical. So at the top here, the red dot, this is the X. This will X out this particular sheet. This will minimize the sheet. And this will tighten the sheet, the green dot. Here, this is the quick access toolbar. And we can add simply by clicking, I should say add and remove. So now I can go back and I can add these. File. And you see as I click on each one, I put a check mark. It puts a check mark next to it. Now I would like these three to be at the beginning again. So how do I do that? Go right back here, go to more commands, and here is the quick access toolbar. I'm going to customize the quick access toolbar, and I'm going to take the mouse, I'm going to hold it down, I'm going to drag this up to the top and drag it up to the top again. Nope, that's the wrong one. And we'll move the save button there. All right, I think the open disappeared, so I'm going to go over here under popular command, and I'm going to move this one. Now this is a little bit different than it is on the Windows side. So I'm going to save this. X this out. And now here they are at the beginning. File, save, I'm sorry, new, save, and file. So if I wanted a new worksheet, I could go here. I could go right here at the bottom. This is a new worksheet. Or I could go to insert over here and insert a worksheet. Or right here, insert a worksheet. So join me in the next video.